Christopher Root here, sales manager, BMW Bend. Grew up in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, so I'm Cajun by heart. First car was a 72 Fiat Spider that my brother and I rebuilt. I moved to Charleston, South Carolina to pursue a passion of mine, which is cooking, and became an executive chef. Decided I needed a change and found myself in the car business. The driving force of my career now is providing exceptional service to our clients. The biggest compliment that we can get is that someone comes back to us because of the way we treated them. BMW has one of the best long-term loyalty of any vehicle out there. Their DNA is all about performance. The way they handle, the way they drive. Ordering cars is fun. If a customer is special ordering for themselves, then they're completely involved. They pick the color, they pick the interior, build in paper, build in the computer, and then have it show up. So it's kind of exciting. I don't like cooking.
Kendall, let's start something great.